today for the Bitcoin price. And yes, guys, I have absolutely mind-blowing news for every crypto holder, for every Bitcoin holder especially, for every Ethereum holder. Dear ladies and gentlemen, what I have to share today with you is very, very important if you're holding any crypto, any stake in the cryptocurrency space. Let's talk about Bitcoin. Let's talk about the ETF. Let's talk about the recent price action. Let's talk about my multi-million US dollar trade. Did I get wrecked or not in the last breakdown? Did I take profits or not? What do I expect to happen right now in the immediate short term? Let's talk about that. Dear ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining us always. Like, comment, subscribe, share this video with your friends. Make noise for the algorithm. If you want more of these videos, I need to see the feedback. Otherwise, I'm just gonna lean back and not make videos for a few days, right? So like the video right now. I want to talk a little bit about altcoins also, but first of all, let's talk about Bitcoin. And yes, I had a resistance here painted in, but for the sake of making it a little bit easier, I just leave this support here. And with this recent breakdown, Bitcoin is finding some support here. And funny enough, this is around 10% this dump, 10% from the top to the bottom, more than 10%, a little bit more. So it feels like the price made sure that at least every 10x is going to get liquidated who joined here on the top of the pump. And I told you in the last few videos, actually, let me quickly show you in these videos, where is it? In these videos, Bitcoin trap, Bitcoin danger, ETF fake news. I told you in, I think, at least two of the three videos, do not trade the ETF. I can't tell you whether we are going to pump or whether we are going to dump. We had fake news and everything. You can't trade news which are available for everyone. That's what I said in the live video and in the last videos which I recorded. That's for certain. And you already remember what kind of a mess that event was, right? So now that we leaned back and waited for the market to do its thing, now we can evaluate. Are we going higher or are we not going higher? So, first of all, this support is extremely important to hold for Bitcoin. I can already tell you, if we break it, I have some shocking, horrible price targets for you. But I can also tell you, if we don't hold it, I don't care at all. I don't care at all, because we need dumps, we need retracements, and 10%, it's like kindergarten, it's nothing. But if we break lower, I want to show you exactly what price target I am looking out for before I go into my price targets, before I go into my trade. If we break the 23.6 FIB level on the daily, like this support here on the daily, 24,500 roundabout, I'm looking at the next price target at 38.2, which is slightly below 40,000. But the real price target comes in at the Fibonacci golden pocket down here. And here we are looking at 33,000 US dollars roundabout, 32 to 34. That is my worst case scenario. We are in a bull market. We will remain in a bull market, in my opinion. Worst case scenario is this. This is the line in the sand, 32 to 34,000 US dollars for Bitcoin. That is what I wanted to tell you when it comes to Bitcoin. Now, let's quickly talk about my trade as well, because man, my Bitcoin trade is still raking in $2.8 million in a profit, but it was already almost at 4 million US dollars in a profit. Now you might say, Chris, you actually predicted, let me show you. If I go here into the this year, I predicted, not only last year, I predicted since a few months, 48,500, the Fibonacci golden pocket to the upside, the extension rate, 48,500 was my exact prediction. I even said I'm gonna take chips from the table. I was in a Twitter Spaces on my channel. You can check it the moment we broke it, so I couldn't go out. But in the end of the day, I would have just taken maximum a few chips from the table. Because this is a long-term trade. And yes, I could try to time the market here and there in the meantime, but that's a position trade. And I am sticking to that. If that would be a swing trade, it's your absolute duty. And that's why I was sharing this price target of 48,500 to take profits there. But that is a position trade. It's not a swing trade. So I stayed in that trade. You can see $2.8 million in a profit. The Ethereum trade is round about $180,000 in a profit right now. And I have another altcoin trade open. I don't really know if I should show them. Is it responsible or not? Let me know in the comment section down below. I was already tweeting about specific things, like about 4 different altcoins, how they are following narratives and so on. If you want to see also altcoin trades of mine, I want to see your opinion down below. Do you think it's a little bit more irresponsible? I would not do small altcoins, but like top 20, top 50 altcoins to trade with high volume. Or do you think I should share that? I want to know your opinion, and if I will incorporate that probably in future videos as well. And yeah, by the way, if you want to trade altcoins, Bitcoin, Ethereum, I have $60,000 in free bonuses. I think $30,000 to $60,000 down below. Click, register, deposit, claim your bonus. We will see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, bye.